Hello, today we're going to talk about when to change the ignition coil on a Ford F150. It's a 5.4 liter. Takes the DG511 ignition coil. My truck has over 200,000 miles on it. I've already changed number 1, 2, and 3. 3 acted up probably around 100,000+ miles. I just changed 1 and 2 at a little over 200,000. I still need to change 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There is no service intervals for these, but if your truck has over 100,000 miles and one started failing, as it's possible, I would probably change them one by one as I could afford it. You have a truck with over 100,000 miles, you have one ignition coil fail, I'd probably think about changing all of them. As for me, I just change them as they fail. Changed these 3 already, but since I drive this truck on long distances and it has over 200,000 miles, I've already changed 3. Today I'm going to change ignition coil number 5. Take off the electrical connector. Just push the tab down right here. See the tab, push down right there. Disconnect it. Get your 7mm socket. Take out the bolt. Take out the coil. Get the new ignition coil. Just drop it right in. Pretty simple, bolts right back up. Tighten up the 7mm. Snug it down. Don't make it too tight. Just needs to be hand tight. It's good to go. Just plug up the ignition coil. And there you go. That quick and easy. Ignition coil change. There's no change intervals on the ignition coil, but I hope this video helps you out.